Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where we have a 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation that just came in on trade. This is the RE layout. So you've got your rear entry back here. Gives you good access to the Ricochet swim ladder. That Ricochet swim ladder will self-retract at about 3 miles an hour. So if you leave it down, it'll bring itself up and you won't have to worry about it banging against the boat. We've got a Mercury 200 V6 outboard on this motor, and it's got 285 engine hours. So there's plenty of life left on this boat. This is a PTX Tritoon, so you've got a higher, drier performing pontoon, really smooth ride, no rattling, performs amazing in choppy water or high boat traffic areas, and it gives you better fuel economy too. We've got a cockpit table here in the back, stainless steel cup holders throughout the boat. Not one, but 2 trash bins. One of them has a door. The other one is located right in front of the helm here. You've got a windshield at your helm, in-floor storage, and the upgraded JL audio sound system with RGB lighting. This has the slate teak seagrass flooring, which was an upgrade for the year. And the exterior is black on black, so you have a nice sleek pontoon ride. This boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa. Come get it today and enjoy your summer on the water.